tournaments and as FC versus Greenfield. Without wasting much of your time, we're going to give the platform to Nakwati what he brings us ahead of the match on Sunday.
Thank you so much. Good morning. I think we are in the midst of our preparations for the game that we are playing on Sunday against the Greenfield. We have, I think, two of our players that are not with us that are with the national team, and most possibly they may not be available for the weekend game. We have a few players that sustained injuries. Neva Raouz is one of them that is resumed his training. It's just unfortunate that he's also got a bereavement. He lost a sister in Harare, so we are also trying to see how best we can accommodate so that he's part of with the family and also is available